Right, I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye, easy smoky eye, right? So we're going to use the MAC paint pot in black. Don't be scared of that. Right, so literally going to brush it on. This is an easy smoky eye, right? And then I'm going to paint that over the whole eyelid. Don't worry if the edges are not blended straight away. We're going to use a clean brush to blend the edges. If you use the same brush, you're just going to keep smearing it and it'll just get bigger and bigger. So always have 2 brushes on hand when you do a smoky eye. Okay, so we just open. So we just painted that on the whole eyelid. Then we're going to use another brush. And if you look straight ahead, Charlotte, like, you can look into the camera. You're going to blend this in that socket line, okay? And literally rubbing it across, to and fro, like that. Just to soften that line. Okay, and then with a finer brush, smaller brush, we can take the same paint pot. If you just look up underneath the eye. You could do this with a black eyeshadow as well. Just always use 2 brushes, one to put it on with and one to blend with. Because that's where people make the mistake. They start blending with the same brush and it just gets bigger and messier.
Oh God, and then it actually looks like you've got a black eye.
Then it looks like you've got a black eye. And then you can always clear up underneath with your foundation brush if there's any droppage. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, and then to top that off, we put kohl pencil. So just look up. On the inside and just going up on the waterline, going upwards. Okay, and then just in there. Okay, and then the other place to put it is look up. I'm just going to lift this up. It's just in that corner there. Feels funny. Woo! Any more blending that needs doing, just give it a little bit more. Okay, let me just... So you can add to that, like, if you wanted to, you could add, so with that tiny brush that I took underneath, just close your eyes. I'm just going to put a little bit more right in that, like where you put eyeliner. Just a tiny bit more along the lash line and make it a little bit smudgy. There we go. That's quite an easy one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually.
Suits you.
Thank you.